and then the last toxic male. Blabs, can you give us your best NICKMERCS impression? Mozza, show you how to do it, cunt. Thank you very much, last toxic male. You fucking legend with $20. You fucking Mac G. All right, here you go. This one. Remember, you don't do this for me. Do this for last toxic male. Mozza, show Blabs how to do a NICKMERCS impression.
Or whatever the fuck he does. That's it, isn't it?
That's so bad.
That's
so
not
bad.
accurate.
I'll do it. I'll do it.
You do it.
All right,
I'm not doing that either.
Come on, Blabs.
Good, Blabs. Do it for the boy. Last toxic
Do it for the boys.
Do it for the boys. Sound like you're taking a shit, yeah.
Wow. Wow.
We would not make it. No, wait, Blabs. Say dinner plates of shit.
What?
Say dinner plates of shit.
Dinner plates are shit?
Okay, that's pretty NICKMERCS.
Holy fucking good gosh.
We would not be good NICKMERCS.
Oh, man, I never thought I'd say this, but I kind of miss Rhino.
Wow.
All right, look. There's already some memes made, but we got to get into this. This is the first thing that we have to talk about.
Wait, Stomata says this stream is sponsored by Taco Bell.
Well, so you can't even spell Taco Bell.
I can now. I'm looking at it.
It's written right in front of you. You'd still fuck it up.
Not bad, not bad. Now you.
Oi, Mozza, give us your best NICKMERCS impression.
Oh, fuck me.
That was so shit. Do it again.
We're shit.
That is so, no, we're not ending this shit until you do a good one.
Oh my fucking god, cunt. I don't know how to do a good one. Fucking cunt.
That is so bad. Nazma,
no, so shit.
Yeah.
There you go.
Go on, Herbs. Pretty good. Pretty good. Okay, that's pretty fucking good.
Yeah.
All right, come on, Mozza. You've been studying this country.
There. Fuck
no, that was a Mozza impression. I want to.
That was NICKMERCS, bitch.
Go on, Mozza. There's a NICKMERCS impression.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.